thing I no fit do for my life again.
Yeah, no, nah, I tell you be church boy, no you worry.
I no fit do that thing again. No, see am now. Now move it and collect that money.
I say you don't change.
Move it and collect that money.
Calm down, no worry, no worry. Just calm down.
You know, she said the money don't for. You know, see, money don't for. I bet leave me man go to pick the money. Which one respect? Which one I didn't do it for money? I bet leave me.
Chai!
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
Thank you very much for watching that video. Remember, the lesson we learned from that video is it's very dangerous to take what does not belong to you. Please avoid what does not belong to you, even if it does not have immediate effect. 10 years it might still come back to haunt you. Please avoid what does not belong to you. And please help the boys. Subscribe. Hit that button, that particular button. Hit it. And if the button refuses to obey, break it. Break it now. Why would the button refuse to obey? Break it. Break.